Good afternoon, guys and girls, and welcome back to a short edition of Nick's Veggie Patch. It's just an update to let everybody know how our allotments have survived the heavy winds we've had down here in Hampshire and the rain and the hailstones. So my plot has held up very well. My polytunnel, thank God, is still intact. I've got one of those types of polytunnel, cheap version. Does me what I need, but yeah, it's holding up. It held up very well last year, so I'm really pleased about that. I thought it might be heavy rain, winds and what not this weekend, so the door's been shut. My greenhouse is also holding up. The roof is obviously plastic instead of glass. Around the outside though, it's still glass, but it's holding up really well. I've also brought in my fig tree to keep it out of the cold and to stop it, you know, from damaging it. But generally up here on my plot, I've been okay with all the heavy winds and the storms. I haven't got too much growing really now, just a little bit of Cavallonero kale, chard, one more pumpkin to pick to carve up ready for tonight for Halloween. I've got a couple of bits in the polytunnel, but yeah, generally we're not looking too bad. On my plot, I'm going to take you down and show you my mate's plot. So I'm just coming on to my mate Dave's plot, and also we've got our friend G next to us. His greenhouse has held up amongst the strong winds, and my mate's plot has also held up really well as well. He's got a greenhouse and a shed, but yeah, we're not looking too bad on here. And also a friend of ours called Mark, his plot has held up as well with the strong winds, heavy rain and the hail. So generally guys, we've done okay down on our plot down here in Hampshire. I hope that wherever you guys are, if you've had strong winds, heavy rain and hailstones where you are, your plots have also held up. And I hope now it's that time of year, you're getting ready, tidy up your plots, ready for next year, and also preparing for the heavy strong winds that we're more than likely to get over the coming months. Yeah, generally we've been okay down here at the plots. I've just come down to see my mate who's in his shed. We're going to have a coffee in a minute, but we're looking okay. Well, that was just a little update on the storms that we've had down here, and I'm sure I'll catch you for another episode of Nick's Veggie Patch very shortly. But for now guys, I hope all your plots are safe. I hope all you guys are staying safe, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.